Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change your relationship goals on Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface of Tinder PC, and right now what we want to do is simply go to our profile. At the top left, here's a button like this. That is my profile. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Worry not, what we have to do is simply click on Edit Info. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Once you've clicked on the Edit Info button, something like this will open up. Well, do note that you can add your images or delete them. You can also add your passions and heights. But our main focus is the relationship goals. Right here, as you can see, my relationship goals is still figuring it out, and I want to change it. Simply click on this button right here, and something like this will pop up. It's gonna give you a few options like long-term partner, long-term, open to short. Simply select whichever one suits you. I'm gonna select this one and simply hit on save. And guys, that's it. As you can see, my relationship goals have been changed. Well guys, that's how you change your relationship goals in Tinder. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.